164, day 2, we're solving some more systems using any method. We're going to start with talking about a theater club selling tickets. So they sold 101 tickets for a total of $164. And they proceed to tell us a student ticket cost $1 and an adult ticket cost $2.50. So how many student tickets were sold? So I started by telling you my S is going to stand for student tickets, A is going to stand for adult tickets. One of the things we talk about is just the total number of tickets. Total of 101 tickets. So I'm just going to add my tickets up. I don't care about how much they cost. I'm going to count them. How many students tickets do I have? Plus how many adult tickets do I have? And hey, look, I have 101. So that's one of my equations. Then the other thing we talk about is money. And it says it's $1 for a student ticket. So $1 times S, however many student tickets I sell, plus $2.50 times A is going to equal the total amount that I made, which was $164. So there's my two equations, substitution or elimination, it doesn't matter. If we're going to do, let's try substitution this time. I'm going to solve this first equation for S by subtracting A on both sides. And I would get S equals negative A plus 101. So there's my A, excuse me, my S. So right here, I'm going to substitute in negative A plus 101 plus 2.5A equals 164. So combine my like terms. This is negative 1A, so I have 1.5 or 1.50 A's plus 101 equals 164. I have to get rid of the 101. So I have 1.50A equals 63. Sorry. So I have to divide both sides by 1.5. So 63 divided by 1.5 or 1.50 tells me I have 42 adult tickets that I sold. So again, I just divide it by 1.5, 1.50. And it says adult tickets were 42. So we sold 42 adults. And I don't think that's what they ask. I think they want to know how many children's, but we can plug that 42 in to this equation right here because it says students plus adults. Instead of adults, I'm going to put 42 equals 101. So to solve that, I take 101 and I subtract 42, and I get there were 59 children's tickets sold. Let's plug it in and make sure that works with our numbers. Our equation right here says 1 times the number of student tickets, so 59, plus 2.50 times the number of adult tickets has to equal 164. So 2.5 times 42 is 105. So is 59 plus 105 equal to 164? 59 plus 105 is equal to 164. So there's our check. We're done with that. I think the question at the very top though was, how many student tickets were sold? 59 students. I should put children, but students. All right, washing 2 cars and 3 trucks takes 130 minutes. Washing 2 cars and 5 trucks takes 190 minutes. How long does it take to wash each type of vehicle? So we have 2 equations, and we have cars and trucks. So let's make it easy. C equals cars, T equals trucks. So 2 cars and 3 trucks is 130 minutes. I also have 2 cars and 5 trucks is 190 minutes. So if I just multiply through by a -1, the second equation, remember that just changes every single sign. If it's positive, it becomes negative. If it's negative, it becomes positive. And I get, my c's cancel out, I get 2t equals 130 minus 1. Whoa, we got a problem here. Negative 2t, that looks better, because otherwise I was getting a negative number and I can't have that time be a negative, equals negative 60. So negative 2t equals negative 60. That makes sense. Divide by negative 2. And we get trucks take 30 minutes. So trucks take 30. Let's plug it into an equation that we have. So I'm just going to plug it in the top. 2c's plus 3 times 30 equals 130. 2c plus 3 times 30 is 90 equals 130. Subtract my 90. I get 2c equals 40. Divide by 2 and you get c equals 20. So trucks take 30, cars take 20. Let's try it in the second equation. So the second equation was 2 times cars plus 5 times trucks is supposed to equal 190. This is 40 plus 150. And yay, that equals 190. Oops, sorry, put my check on the wrong side, but that does equal 190, so it works out. The sum of two numbers is 20. When the larger number is subtracted from twice the smaller number, the difference is 4. What are the numbers? Whoo, there's lots in there. But I see the sum of two numbers is 20. That is an equation. So to pick things for our numbers, let's have x and y be my numbers. So it says the sum of them, so x plus y, is 20. That one's easy. But then we get a whole bunch of stuff. When the larger number, so let's just have y be the larger number. When the larger number is subtracted from twice the smaller number. So first I have to have twice the smaller number. So twice the smaller number. When the larger number is subtracted from it, so 2x minus y, or 2 the smaller minus the larger, the difference is 4. So we can do, it looks like if we add them together, one cancels out. So I'm going to add them together. I get 3x equals 24, because my y's are gone. Divide by 3. And we get x equals 8. So if 8 is one number, I'd get 8 plus y equals 20. And I'd get y equals 12. So let's plug it into the second number, equation. So 2 times 8 minus 12, is that 4? This is 16 minus 12. Hey, that is 4, so there's our check. So what are the two numbers? Larger number is 12. Other is 8. So 8 and 12. One number added to 3 times another number is 24. So let's just talk about that. Again, we have two numbers. Let x and y be numbers. One number added to 3 times the other. So one number added to 3 times another is 24. That's one of our equations. 5 times the first number added to 3 times the other number is 36. Find the numbers. Let's see, we can do substitution and elimination. If we multiply through by -1 on the top, which just changes all the signs. So now I have 4x, y's are gone, equals 24 minus 36 is, -24 plus 36 is 12. Divide by 4. We have x equals 3. So one of our numbers is 3. Let's plug it in and see what the other one would be. So top equation would say 3 plus 3 times y equals 24. And I get 3y equals 21. So divide by 3, and you get y equals 7. So let's just think about it. We have 3 and 7. Now let's just see if they make sense in both equations. And let's just talk about it. So one number added to 3 times the other. So one number added to 3 times the other is 24. That's the one that we did and we checked it on, right? So this would be 21 plus 3 is 24. And the other equation is 5 times the first number plus 3 times the second number is 36. That would be 15 plus 21 is 36, which is also true, so we are good. So our numbers, 3 and 7. Hey, good timing. That's all for this one. Thanks.